What's up, guys? Welcome back to Jordan Hauser Digital for another tutorial. Today we're talking about something that is going to help you guys out. I know that it's saved my ass more times than I'd like to admit. It's the warp stabilizer inside of Premiere Pro. It's a great tool to take some unusable footage and really kind of turn it into something that is usable. You can take a shaky clip and turn it into something that's buttery smooth. Alright, so here's a pretty typical story. You're out there, you're shooting B-roll, you're having a great time, everything you're firing off is absolute gold. You get home, you pump everything into your computer, you're ripping through your timeline and you're like, oh man, where's that awesome clip? Where's that one clip that I knew was just amazing? You get to that clip and you've got camera shake. Ugh, what are you supposed to do? Give up? Do you delete that clip? No. We're gonna get into this tutorial and I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that footage. So let's go. So here we are inside of Premiere Pro, and we're going to use the warp stabilizer to save this piece of footage. I have gone ahead and shot this morning in my dining room. This is a nice, lovely little decoration that my girlfriend had made. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to save this footage because, as you can tell, there's a little bit of shake in there. And we're going to use this clip as well, which is also a tad shaky. So as you can see, our frame rate was 60 frames per second. We're going to go down here and set up a new sequence. And to get that like really nice film look, we're going to set up a sequence that's 24p. It works, okay? Trust me. We're going to go into this clip here first, and we're just going to drag down the video. Oh no, we get this warning, okay? It says the clip settings don't match the sequence settings. No, we're going to keep our existing settings. We know. We did that on purpose. And we're going to take this clip, and we're going to put it right down there beside that. Hit that plus symbol a couple times to get this up in something we can see. As of right now, this is what our B-roll looks like. First, what we're going to do is go over here to our effects, and we're going to type in warp, and we're going to get warp stabilizer. So we're going to drag, and we're going to drop it right on that clip. And to check what's going on here, I'm going to go into the effect controls of this clip, and boom, it says stabilized. For some reason, the default setting is 50% on the smoothness. It really just gives it some kind of like fun house mirror type look. You know, things start to like warp all over the place. It's really strange looking. Things start to move. Like, if you can tell, kind of like this bowl almost looks like it's like warping or shape shifting. We'll save shape shifting for a whole different type of video. But basically what I want to do, and I always do, is I use 11. 11% on this effect is my sweet spot. For some reason, I don't know why. For years, I've just been using 11%. To me, that looks the best. All right. So there we go. We're going to take and we're going to copy, and we're going to paste it right on there. We get this little notification here that says frame not analyzed for stabilization. Click analyze. All right. We have to go into our effect controls for this clip and actually hit analyze for this one whenever you copy and paste it. All right, so we are stabilized. Let's go ahead. We're going to give this a render. I don't mind the front clip. It's that right there. We get a little bit of warp. And it's like, I can't tell you why I don't like it, but my brain sees it, and I'm sure your brain sees it. It just looks like it's unstable, and it's going in and out and in and out. So what I like to do is take my smoothness down to about 8%, and we're actually going to try and experiment with these different methods of stabilization. So, perspective. This one has definitely done some good things for me in the past. Give it a render. And there we go. I really, really like that one there. As you're looking at it, you might be thinking, dude, this is still kind of shaky. But I didn't say it was a fix-all. I said that it would save your footage. So let's take a look at what it looked like originally. This right over here is without stabilization at all whatsoever. Straight out of the camera. So let's go over to the stabilized stuff and you'll see how much better it is. So that is definitely an improvement to that. So something like this would be, pretty nice if you were shooting, say maybe a real estate video or something like that, and you were focused on like a centerpiece, and you got home from the shoot and it was like, oh my God, my footage is shaky, and then, you can't get back into the house to reshoot. This looks pretty nice. This would be a nice little piece of the video. And nobody would ever realize that it used to look like that. All right. So you could go in and color this and make it look 10 times better, but we're going to save that for another tutorial. All right, guys, there it is, the warp stabilizer. I hope that thing saves your ass as many times as it saved mine. If you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you get notified when these new videos come out. And don't forget to join me every Friday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time for a live show where we sit, we hang out, and we talk some shop. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out.